Amigo, amiga, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Lulu Chef Mash po, guys. Ano yan? Hulaan nyo. Bilis. Okay, I will tell you. Century tuna in can. Sinutay ko lang siya ng onion lang pepper, and green chili, together with cabbage, Baguio, and ampalaya. Yun lang. Ayun na. Tapos naligyan ko ng konting water. Guys, ang sarap. Ayun na naman po ako, puro ang sarap. Ayun yung ano ko, drinks ko. Alright? Ayun. Diba? Mga bata, look at this. Ang palaya lang yan, tsaka cabbage Baguio. Saute lang ng onion. Yun lang, onion lang. Tsaka century tuna. Yan na. Sarap, diba? Yummy, yummy. Ate G, look at this. Mates. Ate Mi, medyo mahanga lang kasi may gaw sa chili. So, bon appetit, everyone. This is what you call century tuna in can, together with veggie, cabbage, Baguio, bitter gourd, which is ampalaya. I cut it into round shape, and green chili, and tomato, onion. That's it. Yun lang. O, gawin nyo to mga bata. Para in-order ulit sa restaurant o sa hotel, di ba? Taray. Shout out pala sa mga friends ko, relatives and all. You know who you are. Bon appetit, guys. I'm so hungry. Nag-walking kasi ko eh. Alright? Guys, this is my meal right now. Buenas noches, tardes, buenos dias. Hola, amigo, amiga. Look at this. This is my meal, okay? Hasta la vista, baby. This is really Chef Mash po. May mo order nga. Sabi ko, sige, order ka lang. Basta may bayad. Tapos plating na ayusin ko. O, diba? Alright. Okay? Thank you, guys. I'm hungry. Kain na. Have a lovely day. And always be safe. Thank you kay Papa Jesus. Okay na yung pandemic. All over the world. Okay? This is for you guys. Thank you. Good night. Hi, Uno. Hasta la vista, baby. See you on my next vlog.